Hello everyone and welcome to the Squarespace email campaign tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to start the email campaign. Just log in or sign up to your Squarespace and this dashboard or the home screen is going to appear on your page. Now what you're going to do is you already have a site. If you don't have one, you are going to create a site. I already have one, so I am going to go to my website. Simply go click on it. It might take about 2 to 3 minutes to load the site, and then we're going to start our email campaign. Here you see, this is my site. I am going to scroll down to my email campaign directly. Here you see the option of email campaigns or the automations. You see there is the option to select the email template, create. These are the drafts or the scheduled recipients or the emails that I've already started. The campaigns that I had already started. These are the automations. You can create the automations or you can simply move to the email campaigns and choose a plan. Select an email template, create a mailing list, or add the sender details. All the options are clear. Just choose a template. These are all the templates that are given that you can use in your email campaign. There are so many options available. You can choose any one of them. I would choose, let's just say with a blank one too. If you have so much time, you have the idea of your own. What you can do is click on the start from the blank, and in this way you can use your own idea. I'm just going to click on share content and select content. I'm going to select a template. Here you see what I'm trying to do is, now you see that this is basically how you can choose a template. But before that, here, you see that if we move to email campaigns, sorry. So if you move to your email campaigns, you see that there were the complete details of what you're going to do. You can also add the sender details. I'm moving directly to the email templates and choose one of the templates. Just say move to the share content, click on this one and choose this one. Or you can also use your template. Just click on this, use this template. And when you click on this is going to appear on your screen. You can adjust the size, style, you can change the font pack, font sizes, you can link the colors, you can change different colors, wide range of color. You can click on this, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can also underline it. I'm going to make it look a bit bold. You can also make it italic, but I don't want that. Here, you can also adjust the font size. Here you see I'm going to increase the size. I think this one looks cool. Yeah. So now you can also go to the logo. You can add the elements like titles, etc. You can add the image. You can also add the text like I'm adding right now. Just, I'm going to get rid of this part. Delete, and I'm going to write here whatever I want. For instance, I want to write here, welcome to our, let's say, welcome to our course here. So now you can also make whatever the changes you want. You can also replace the image. Clicking on this. You can upload the file, you can select from library, or you can also browse it from the stock images. You can also delete all these paragraphs. I don't want to delete them because, yeah. So now you're going to go to the email. Here you see it is going to ask you for the details of the campaign. For instance, you can add a short subject line for your campaign. I am writing ABC. You can also show that how your email is going to preview. You can add the unique recipient, that is, You're going to select all these. If you have any, you can choose the specific one. I'm choosing all of them here. So basically, these email campaigns are going to ask for the email. They're going to ask for complete plans. There are about 3 to 4 plans that are available on Squarespace that you can select. I'm writing here the sender name, for instance, Mona. You can also add the sender email. You can fill all these details on your own. You can add their legal address. You can add the business name. You can add the legal address. You can add the city, state, or zip. You're going to write the country and click on back. I'm clicking on back because I don't have any detail right now. So what I'm going to do is click on, here. So this is how you're going to fill all the details about your email campaign. And if you fill all these details, you get the option to start your email campaign, and it will give you about 4 plans. Then you can choose any of that plan and buy them according to whatever you want. So you can buy the plans. There are a total 4 plans. All of them have their own prices. You can adjust them. You can choose any of that. So this is how you're going to use Squarespace to start an email campaign. Moreover, you can also move to the styles again and change the styles. You can add or edit the paragraphs of your own. This is how you're going to start your email campaign. The easy answer is yes, you can start the email campaign. The boring answer is no, you can't, because it is too difficult. But what I like the most about the Squarespace is that these plans are very cheap and very affordable, and you can use any of these. This is the mobile view. Here, this was very easy to show you guys the email campaign tutorial, and then the email campaign that you create, it is going to appear at this bottom of the screen here. It is going to show you your draft, your scheduled ones, your campaigns, your recipients, and your sent-ons. I hope you guys understood the video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.